Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any black and white photo into a realistic color photo using Pivi AI. Pivi AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will help you to generate any AI content or maybe enhance photo or maybe transform images with the simple prompts like this. And in here, we will use this tool or these platforms to transform any black and white photo into a color photo. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And then, okay, let's get started. First, just open Pivi AI, and then go to Image Studio, and then choose AI Designs, and then just upload the photo that you want to transform, like this. And then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it as you like. Like in here, my prompt says like this: restore and colorize the uploaded black and white photo while preserving all original details, blah blah blah, like this. And then next, just choose your AI model. In here, I want to choose it trim, and then choose your ratio, and then choose your resolutions, and just click submit. And then just wait until the process is finished. And okay, that's it. Your photo is ready. Let's just take a look. Okay, like this, you can see it in just a few moments. Your old black and white photo will transform into a vibrant, realistic color image while keeping the original details intact like this. And I think the result is really good like this. It looks so incredible and it's really look natural and realistic like this. And okay, that's it. Next, you can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.